Window installation in New Orleans is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of picture windows New Orleans options available, including custom windows and energy-efficient windows, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. New Orleans window installation experts provide top-notch services to ensure your windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Custom windows in New Orleans offer a unique opportunity for homeowners to personalize their homes. Whether you're looking for specific styles or materials, custom windows can be tailored to meet your exact needs. From vinyl windows to aluminum windows, the choices are endless, allowing you to create a distinctive look for your New Orleans home. Energy-efficient windows in Louisiana are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By investing in picture windows New Orleans residents can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Window replacement in New Orleans is a popular service for those looking to upgrade their homes. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or simply want to update your home's appearance, window replacement can make a significant difference. With options like double-hung windows and casement windows, New Orleans homeowners can find the perfect style to complement their homes. Vinyl windows in New Orleans are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to moisture and won't warp or rot, making them ideal for the humid Louisiana climate. Vinyl windows also offer excellent insulation, helping to keep your home comfortable year-round. Aluminum windows in Louisiana provide a sleek, modern look for any home. Known for their strength and durability, aluminum windows are perfect for withstanding the harsh weather conditions often experienced in New Orleans. These picture windows New Orleans are also highly customizable, allowing homeowners to choose from a variety of finishes and styles. Window replacement in New Orleans is essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether you have a broken pane or a malfunctioning lock, professional window replacement services can address any issues quickly and efficiently. Keeping your windows in good condition is crucial for both security and energy efficiency. Double-hung windows in New Orleans offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for many homeowners. With their timeless design, double-hung windows can enhance the appearance of any New Orleans home. Casement windows in Louisiana are known for their versatility and ease of use. These windows open outward, providing maximum ventilation and unobstructed views. Casement windows are an excellent choice for those looking to add a touch of elegance to their New Orleans home. Bay windows in New Orleans create a stunning focal point in any room. These windows extend outward, providing additional space and natural light. Bay windows are perfect for creating cozy reading nooks or showcasing beautiful views of the New Orleans landscape.